With the advent of social media, relationships are now more out in the open if you put them there. As a matter of fact, if you follow some people on the social, you can track their entire relationship from start and sometimes to finish. But we're here to tell you that you probably need to. We're not here to tell you. It's really your decision. But we're here to suggest, as does jetmag.com, reasons to keep your relationship under wraps.
Quite so.
Yes, and this says the Instagram Chronicles, reasons to keep your relationship under wraps. So,
first one, you open up yourself to the opinion of others. So, makes sense. You put it out there, and then when people start to comment, you're saying, "Oh, please respect my privacy. I don't want to hear." Well, if you don't want to hear people's opinion, don't put it out there. See, full stop.
Just remember a time when private lives are private.
Yes, but
what private mean? Share the things that make you happy, but
you don't have to share everything.
Yes.
Private mean private. That's actually what it means, in private.
Yes.
So you can't put it in public and then say it's private.
And you can be a public person and still have a private life.
Amen.
There's a beauty to the balance.
Yes.
That
so once you put
open
it
you
out
up.
there, you put up the gentleman picture and people say, "I am that. Me not like how you look. I don't like how you look." Then you say, "So my teeth gone." And then you say, "Could you please respect my gentleman's privacy and don't comment on him?"
And his
then
teeth.
why you put him out there with the missing teeth?
Okay. Wow, Delia, what's going on in your life?
Leave it alone.
Well, by discussing
no, my gentleman have missing teeth. I don't care if they're saying teeth missing. You know, that's why me and him go out. You don't tell me that I don't know already.
By discussing your issues with others, you open yourself up to the opinion of others. Now, there are some people who don't care because other people's opinions are like,
yeah.
So that's fine. But
if you know you're thin skin, don't do it. Everyone won't be happy for you.
Can I tell you about this? Can I tell you about this Jamaican Twitter?
Oh, gosh.
Not only will they not be happy for you, they're following you with the hope
that something will happen.
That you buck your toe.
So that them can try to drag you.
And drop in the most unceremonious way so that they can then drag you. Guys, and sometimes it's not people you don't know, Sometimes it's your girlfriend. So
they actually follow you, by the way, to get an opportunity to drag you. I just want to say this. Because people like to talk about how much followers they have. Just be careful. Just be careful.
Yes. So JetMag says,
thief stalk your house to find out if you broke inside. So some of them followers, I follow you to find out. Good.
Yeah. There are some people, this is such a profound line. There are some people so distraught with their own lives that they will go out of their way to try to ruin yours. This is not just words on a paper. This is a real talk, real thing. What you choose to share is what you choose to share, but you have to know when you're choosing to share what you open yourself
Them will
up
say,
to.
wait, who the man and them go on in them profile, go and look up everything about him from 1963 till then find one girl, when they take one picture with, then they go follow the girl, then them ask the girl, you know what man, yeah? Because, I tell you, the way some of you in people business, when you could solve crime. The National Security Minister.
Inspector Gadget.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
When you could solve crime.
The less people know about your personal life, the less they have to speak on. Which means also that they will make stuff up. Because the less you share, is the more they want to know. And then they want to know why you're not sharing. And then they're not share because they're not
look follow us, so they're going to tell lies.
So not share because someone there with her.
I know him. Yeah, me used to go to school with him.
Yeah.
It opens up the chance for your ex to be in your business.
Okay.
The only thing worse than strangers being in your business is having your ex-boyfriend or girlfriend watching your every move on social media.
That is stalkish. Hell-bent and determined to poke holes in your new love affair, disclosing too much about your new relationship can leave you vulnerable to the actions or the antics of a scorned ex. I guess that's on social or off social. So
Yeah.
you just need to be careful because some of them
But if
exes
you
is
have
cray.
if you have an ex, you're gonna dig up in your thing.
Cray.
Block them. Brenji, will you show me 1 minute? There's a set too. You can filter pictures, but not your relationship. So the desire for attention is not a modern concept. Keeping your relationship private keeps your motivations pure. You want to make sure that every day you decide to move forward in your relationship, and you're doing so because you couldn't imagine a life without your partner, not because you're addicted to the false approval of social media.
And then the
viewers.
next one I think is really important. You know, some relationships last and others don't. So when you put everything out there and then it goes awry, then there's a lot of chatter.
Then
If
them
you
say,
care-
come here, things
Yes.
are going on Instagram.
Yes.
Hey, go
Yes.
over Twitter, Simone mash up, things are going on over there.
Yes.
You know, see Simone take down the whole picture, them
Yes.
on birthdays, they
Yeah.
not talk.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah.
You just zinger me with that one. Breaking up is easier. It's true. Because if you know life, and nobody didn't see all of the antics you were carrying on in the first place,
Yeah.
it makes it really.
And you know
A lot
what?
more
People
private
break
and
up,
less
people
messy.
break up, make up. When the public gets involved, you break up, and then it becomes so nasty that the makeup probably don't happen. That the small thing
Exactly.
that causes a disagreement
Exactly.
will balloon into something.
Because of the pressure that you've put on your relationship. So
Yeah.
the moral of the story, guys, is sometimes less is more.
Left some things off of social media.
Yes. I mean, if you're the kind of person that shares, then okay, but just know what you're consciously know what you're opening yourself up to when you decide to share
No
everything.
put it on it. No put it on it.
That's Girl Talk for today.
Yeah, no put it on it.
Now put today.